All right, in this video, we're going to start conducting some examples of how to value firms. Okay, find the price of these firms. In this particular video, we're going to solve questions 1 and 2. These questions are available on Canvas for you. All right, let's first read question 1. Suppose the PE ratio for stock Y is 15. Earnings for stock X have been reported to be 3.25. Given this information, what is the price of the stock? In the previous video, we talked about the different valuation approaches, the replacement cost method, the comparables approach, or the discounted cash flow method. It should be obvious to you that we're going to use the comparables approach to solve problem 1. To do so, all I have to do, recall that the price of stock X is going to be equal to the price to book ratio for stock Y. In this case, the book ratio is going to be earnings, so it's the PE ratio for stock Y times the book value or the earnings of stock X. This becomes a pretty simple problem to solve. So problem 1, I'm just going to say is equal to the PE ratio for stock Y, which is 15, and I'm going to multiply that by the earnings of stock X, which is $3.25 per share. That gives me a price, an approximate price, a hypothetical or theoretical price of stock X at $48.75. If you have full faith in the comparables approach and you get on a Fidelity account or your brokerage account and find that the current stock price is trading at $40, maybe this would give you a signal to buy. A lot of individuals strive to buy low PE ratio stocks or stocks that have low PE ratios relative to comparables. And question 1 can show you why. Now in problem 2, we're going to suppose that the price to book ratio, here the book ratio, the price to book ratio, the book value in the denominator of that ratio might be the book value of equity per share. Okay, so the price to book ratio for stock Y is 3.2. The book value per share of stock X has been reported to be $8.52. Given this information, what is the price of the stock X? This is as easy as solving problem 1. I'm just going to say this is equal to the price to book ratio for stock Y, which is 3.2, and I'm going to multiply that by the book value per share of stock X, which is 8.52, and that gives me a price of $27.26. So here are 2 examples of how to use the comparable approach. This is very, very simple, straightforward stuff. Hopefully you understand.